Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a newspaper grid. First, begin by setting up your document with standard newspaper dimensions, such as 11 by 17 inches for a tabloid size. Next, establish clear margins, usually about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch around the entire page. Then, decide on your column count. 5 or 6 columns offer excellent flexibility for various article lengths and image placements. This foundational setup is crucial. Now, let's dive into designing your column structure. Divide your page into 5 or 6 consistent columns, ensuring each has an equal width for visual harmony. Crucially, set a consistent gutter width between these columns, usually 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, to prevent text from merging. Thinking about a modular grid with horizontal baselines will also help maintain consistent text alignment across your entire publication. Creating a polished. Once your DNS records are updated, the next step is to connect your domain to your hosting provider. Access your hosting control panel, like cPanel or Plesk. Navigate to the Domains or Add-on Domains section and add your newly configured custom domain. This tells your hosting server to recognize and serve content for your domain. Remember, it can take up to 48 hours for these DNS changes to fully propagate across the internet, so patience is key. To finalize your newspaper grid, begin by reviewing the overall layout for visual hierarchy and balance, ensuring important stories stand out. Next, meticulously check for consistent typography, including font sizes, styles, and leading, across all articles. Finally, ensure every element from text boxes to images aligns precisely with your established grid lines. This attention to detail guarantees a professional and polished publication ready for distribution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.